nothing's wrong.
Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna create a very sweet and simple and subtle look using all sugar cosmetics. So let's get started with bare face. First of all, I'm priming my face with face forward primer stick, and I'm just applying all over my face, and with my fingers I'm just gonna spread the primer evenly. Then I'm gonna take my face forward corrector stick in orange onward, and I'm just gonna correct the dark points of my face, like under eyes, sides of my mouth, and then I'm just gonna blend it with a blending brush.
I'm singing, yeah, it's like my problems don't exist.
Now, as usual, I'll be doing eyes first, and first of all I'm using Magic Wand concealer in Chococcino, and I'm just applying all over my lids and blending it with a concealer blending brush. And then I'm just gonna dust a little bit of powder so that it gets set, and then I'm taking my eyeshadow palette, blend the Rules eyeshadow in the shade 04 Fetish. It's a very subtle muted palette and I really love it for subtle looks. First I'm gonna take this mauvish nudish pink, and then I'm taking this brown shade. I'm just applying to the outer corners and taking it inwards, and also I'm just gonna deepening my crease with this.
Come on, baby, be true. Come on, baby, it's you. I wait all this time, I found you.
Then taking a fluffy blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything. Then I'm taking the concealer again, and I'm just doing a half cut crease kind of look, because I'm not a fan of cut crease, but I just want my eyeshadows to pop. That's why I'm using concealer, and I'm just blending it with a shader brush. And then I'm just gonna take this dull gold or copperish gold on my ring finger, and I'm just gonna apply onto my lids. It's always good to apply shimmery eyeshadow with your fingers because they pop more, so that's why I'm just gonna do it with my fingers.
Looking at you, I wanna turn on the lights.
Then taking the brown shade again, I'm just gonna deepen my outer V, and I'm also gonna deepen my crease, and I'm just gonna blend that with the shimmery eyeshadow. And taking a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend everything. Then I'm taking this light gold color, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Also I'm gonna do my inner corners with the same shade, and then I'm gonna line my eyes with an eyeliner, I Told You So eyeliner in Black Swan, and I'm gonna wing it a little. I am not using any kind of fake lashes in this look because this is very soft, sweet, subtle look. And here comes my baby. I'm just looking at him, and here comes my baby, my little munchkin. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial now. So let's do the face. I'm using Ace of Face foundation in 40 Brave, and I'm just gonna apply all over my face. And then by taking a fluffy and dense foundation brush, I'm just gonna blend this foundation really nicely.
Just holding on to you, you're gone. Every time it's dark, I'm only running from myself. I wanna love you, but you're somewhere else. I can't wait for you, you know, you know.
Now taking the concealer again, I'm just gonna highlight a few points of my face, like under eyes, bridge of nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. And then again, by taking a concealer blending brush, I'm just gonna blend everything nicely.
Yeah, I got them by myself. I wanna share 'em, but the lights are out.
Now I'm gonna do my brows, and for that I'm using Arch Arrival brow pencil in the shade 03 Woody Scooby. And yeah, so I like my eyebrows to look a little fuller, so I just overdraw a little bit because I don't have fuller eyebrows. And for my lower lash line, I'm just running a little bit of a brown eyeshadow and a little bit of kajal. And then I am using Lash Mauve Limitless mascara and coating my lashes really nicely with it, both upper and lower lashes.
When I'm looking at you, I wanna turn on the lights. Come on, baby, be true. I wanna turn on the lights.
Then for contouring, I'm using Face Forward Contour Stick in 01 font first, and I'm using it on hollows of my cheeks and on sides of my nose and a little bit of on jaws and also a little bit of on my temples, and then by taking a concealer blending brush I'm just gonna blend this really nicely. And these sticks are like so amazing and so easily blendable. I just love working with them. Then taking the Face Forward blush stick in Mauve Marble, I'm just gonna apply on my cheeks, and then I'm just gonna blend it with the same brush, and I'm also just gonna blend it with the contour. Then taking the Face Forward highlighter stick in Champange, I'm just gonna put it on the highest points of my cheekbones, bridge of nose, cupid's bow, and a little bit of on chin, and then I'm just gonna take the highlighter brush and I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. Now coming on to lips, I am using Click Me Up Velvet Lipstick. I love the texture of these lipsticks. I am using the shade 01 Spicy Salmon, and I'm just gonna apply it. They are very matte and very creamy, and they have really nice that velvety texture, which I really love in lipstick. And this is the complete look, and it's a very subtle and sweet and very wearable look, and this is how I look.
Seems like nothing's wrong. I know I'm happy, but I feel so lost. Like all these people are just blending into one. I'm just holding on to you, you're gone. Every time it's dark, I'm only running from myself. I wanna love you, but you're somewhere else. I can't wait for you. You know, you know, you know. I wanna turn on the lights when I'm looking at you.
I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more these kind of videos, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.
I got distractions, yeah, I got them by myself.